Hello students, in this session we are going to discuss about function overloading concept, which is one of the topics in polymorphism. What do you mean by this function overloading? You are overloading. What are you overloading? A function, nothing but you are assigning or you are making it to behave in different ways when it is called in with different situations, nothing but given different types of arguments, your function will behave in a different way depending on the code you have written. Means the function's name will be same, only thing is that the signature may vary. That means these differences may be in terms of the number of arguments you are giving, the data type of the argument, the type of argument you are giving, and the order of argument you are giving. The order of argument you are giving. So the signature of the function varies here. The name of the function will be same. Only the signature of the function will vary. The signature consists of number of arguments it have, the different data types, means type of argument it have, and the order of argument. In some cases, maybe I may give int a comma int b. Maybe in another case I may give add float a comma int b. In some another case I may give add int a comma float b. All these are different signatures here. The name of the function is same. But the arguments I have taken are different. Like even though they are same a b, but different data types. Both of them are integers in the first case. One is float and another one is int in the other case. But float came first and int came next here. Then in the next case I have integer first, then the floating point next. So this is how it varies. This concept is said to be function overloading concept, and we'll see when it is called, how does it behave and all. We'll see it now. Okay. So we'll take an example program and do the same here. Right. So we'll create a program here. iostream.h, then we have include conio.h, then we are suppose we'll take a class test. We'll take a class test. Here we'll create a function here. Right. Void public void add. Right. Here I'm taking some arguments here. Int x comma int y. I'm taking two arguments here. Then when it is called, it have to display cout x plus y is equal to that's it. It have to display me that one. Then I'll use the same function name again, void add. I'm using the same function name, but here I'm using different arguments. Int x comma float b. We'll take another argument, float a, int a float b. Then when it is called, what should it do is again cout x plus y is equal to within inverted comma, then add, sorry, it's not x plus y, it is a plus b. So a plus b. Right. We'll call one more function. We'll write it one more. That is void add again. I'll use this time float p comma int q. Right. Then cout p plus q is equal to p plus q. Right. Then finally stop. Now we have stopped here. The class is ended here. Now I'm writing the continuation this side. Now I need to create an object for it. So test t is the object I have created. Then t dot, I'm calling this one add. Now what am I doing is I'm calling it with 2, 4. I'll call it once again t dot add 1.2, 3. I'll call it once again t dot add 4, 2.4. Finally, get ch and return 0 and stop. Fine. If we execute this one, what happens is, the first case, see here, t is the object of the class test. Here what did I do? Add. What are the arguments I have passed? 2, 4. 2, 4, I'm calling it. If you see here, the names are same here, add. But the compiler will not get confused because it will compare depending on the arguments you have sent. What are the arguments here? 2, 4. What type of data are they? Both of them are integer type of data. So it will check where the signature matches. If you come here, 2, 4. If you check here 2, 4, where is it matching? It is matching here. Both of them are integer type of data. If you check here, one is integer and one is float. No, it is not matching here. If you see here, one is float and another one is integer. No, there is no match here. So this matches here. So the output of the first line will be x plus y is equal to, the first output line will be x plus y is equal to, with an inverted comma, I wrote x plus y is equal to, the same will be my output line, followed by x plus y calculated value. So 2 plus 4 is 6. This will be my first output line, right? Then coming to the second one, t dot add. Here, what did I do? I called a float value, then I called an integer value. First is floating point, then is integer value. So it will check here. Is it float? No. Of course integer, but not float here. So signature doesn't match. Checks here also, int and float are there. But what is the order I have given? Float and int here. So no, it is not matching here also. Come out. It is matching here. Yes, float and int. Float and int. So yes, this is its program and it will execute this code only and not anything else. So what is it here? P plus Q. P plus Q is equal to, with an inverted comma, I wrote P plus Q is equal to. So the same thing will be written here, followed by P plus Q, the calculated value. So what is it here? 1.2 plus 3, that is 3.3 here. Then I gave 4, 2.4 in t dot add again. Again I am calling the add function only. But here the arguments I have given is int and float. In the previous case it was float and int. Now it is int and float here. So if I call this one, where will it go? Int and float, not matching. Int and float, yes, it is matching here. So it will display this one, that is a plus b is equal to, right, is equal to, what is it? A plus b. So what is a? 4, b is 2.4, so totally 6.4, and this will be the output of this complete program. If you observe here, the name of the function is same here on these, in all the cases. In the first case, case 1, case 2 and case 3, the name of the functions are same. Only thing is that depending on the arguments you are giving, it is behaving in a different way. Suppose you have one more function here, void add some int k. You have taken void add int k, and here what are you doing is simply cout a plus plus. Here you have given simply a plus plus, and here in this function, in the what we say, main method, I didn't write main method here, so void main, inside the main method I call test t, then t dot add, if I give 4, I gave t dot add 4. What happens here? Here I gave only one argument, that too it is an integer value. Where is it matching? Not matching, no, no, here it is matching. So a, what should it give you? Cout a plus plus, that means 4. 4 plus plus means 4 plus 1. That is, it will give me 5 as the output here. So depending on the argument you are giving, depending on the sequence of arguments, depending on the type of argument you are giving, the order of argument, which function have to be executed will be decided. Okay, this is all about function overloading, one of the important questions in exam point of view. Hope you understood today's class. Thank you.